Hey guys, what's up? It's Lydia here. Thank you so much for watching. I know it's been seriously way too long since I've made a freaking video, but here I am. I'm alive. I'm not dead. Praise the Lord. But today I have a really fun video planned for you guys based off of the YouTube poll I tried out yesterday. Thanks for those who voted. That was really helpful. But I am living in a new house with a new roommate who I've been friends with for 3 years at my school here in Redding, California. And I'm just really excited to do this video because she has beautiful hair, but it's completely different than mine. Her hair is much longer. Her hair is a type 2C. And she has dyed it blonde, but her hair is really healthy, strong, and beautiful. And I just wanted to show you guys how to take care of a different curl type. So if you have this curl type or you know someone who has this curl type, I feel like this video will be really helpful and informational for you guys. And also, which I think is super cool, is that her hair is dyed beautifully blonde. She does use a special purple shampoo. I can have her talk to you about it real soon because I'm going to introduce her to you guys. But we're probably going to use all Diva Curl products because I'm a big fan, she's a big fan, it's just how it works out. But yeah, I'm super stoked and so sorry that I've been just completely slacking. My computer broke, it's just been not good these past few months. It's just, I have not been faithful to this, but I have devoted to make a video each week this month. And my goal is to do that every single month of this year. But I know for sure I'm doing it this month, and I'm really excited to actually do what I've been trying to do for the past year. So thank you for those who are staying faithful to my channel. You guys are real ones, and I love y'all so much. I couldn't do it without you. But yeah, let's do this.
You wanted this side, right?
Yes. Alright guys, so this is my roommate Sydney. Hey. And what am I saying? Okay, let's do it one more time. Okay, hey guys, so this is my roommate Sydney, and we're really excited to show you her curly hair routine. And so let's just jump right in and let's talk about what she's going to use in the shower. So I'm going to talk about the Diva Curl products she's going to use because it's my favorite. So she's going to use the Diva Curl Low Poo Delight, which is for weightless waves because this is the wavy hairline that she uses.
Yep.
And that she has fallen in love with. So yeah, that's what she uses for her shampoo. And then for her conditioner in the shower, she's going to use the One Condition Delight, which is the conditioner for the wavy hair. And yep, that basically explains itself. And now Sydney's going to tell you what she does to treat her blonde hair in the shower.
Yes. So I use Finola Purple Shampoo. This is for your hair so it makes sure that it's toned. I don't really like the grayish tone, so I probably leave it in for, I would say, like a minute. But I make sure that I do it after I put in the low shampoo and conditioner because of the fact that it needs to make sure that there's not as many tangles so that it doesn't get toned in blotches. So making sure that you do that before and then this after. And then also because of the blonde, you're much more prone to have a lot of tangles, but also it needs lots of hydration. So I use the 3-Minute Miracle Curls Aussie brand. It's my favorite. It smells amazing.
It really does.
And like it makes it super easy to brush through my hair. So while this is sitting in my hair, I actually take a wet brush and I just take chunks of hair and just brush it out, and then I flip it and then finger combing, and then it's great just to get out of the shower and start putting products in. So,
perfect.
Yep.
Alright, so she's gonna go hop in that shower and we'll see you after. Okay, as you can see, Sydney is fully showered and wet because she doesn't dry her hair with the towel right away. She likes to put in the products while her hair is wet, which helps with volume and also the definition of her hair. So we're gonna get started because it's really comfortable to have really wet hair. Okay, so what we're gonna use first is the Diva Curl Styling Cream, which helps for defining and gives your hair nice definition, which is basically what I just said. So we're just gonna use, I'm gonna start out with like 4 pumps. And I'm just gonna rub it together and put it through her hair. And so second, we're gonna use the Ultra Defining Gel, which hopefully you guys know this is one of my favorite products. Yeah, so we're just gonna throw this in our hair and yep. And now, you can sit down there if you want. Okay. So now we're gonna use the Wave Maker, which just brings texture and volume for her waves, which is really good. Okay. So now we're gonna scrunch her hair with this ginormous microfiber towel that she got from TJ Maxx, if you guys are looking for a big one. Here we go. Oh, yeah. Okay, so we are done scrunching. Now it is time to diffuse. Okay, now this is the fun part. Just kidding. We're gonna diffuse, and she uses this Revlon diffuser. It's really pretty, and yep, we're gonna show you what we do.
Also, I use it on warm, not hot.
There we go.
had a break.
We did. So what I'm doing is these pieces aren't really cooperating, so I'm just going to spray them with water and we're going to finger coil them. So if you guys have stubborn pieces in your hair because of dye or damage or whatever, this really helps. So. So what she's doing is she's just spraying like the top parts of her hair because they dry so quickly. She's re-wetting them so she gets the maximum definition that she wants. And also we did finger coil quite a bit of nice pieces on this side of her hair and it looked a lot better. So what we're gonna do now after she's done spraying is we're just gonna set it on low and it'll dry really nicely. Alright guys, so we are finally done with Sydney's hair. It looks so good and I'm going to show you the results.
I don't even know.
Okay guys, so that is it. As you can see, the finished product looks amazing. So I hope this video was really helpful for you guys out there with 2C curls or waves. And if it was helpful and you enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed, please feel free to do so at the bottom down there somewhere and you can join this beautiful curly team. And if you want to get notified every single time I make a video, there's also a little bell you can click and you'll get notified whenever. Click the bell. You'll get notified each time I post a video this month because I'm gonna do it and you're gonna get notified and it's gonna be great. Okay, so yep, have the best day. Thank you guys so much. I couldn't do this without you. So tune in next time for more vids with Lids.